In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem. Netflix freezes or stops responding or gets stuck loading, but device isn't frozen. So if you are having a challenge with your account where it just freezes and it can't play videos, then let me show you how you can solve this problem. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and visit the official Netflix account and then go ahead and look for help page. If you are already signed in, just head over to the help page. However, if you are signed out, just scroll down and you'll see help pages here. Go ahead and click on it to open. Then from here, scroll down and you'll see explore topics. Now head over fix a problem and you should see these error codes. So if you click on error codes here, choose the first option, Netflix isn't working, and then we have our problem here, Netflix is freezing or is not responding. And we have here various solutions for TV, mobile phones, computers, as well as streaming media players and gaming consoles. So we are told if Netflix freezes or gets stuck loading, but the rest of your device is working properly, you can often fix this problem by troubleshooting using the steps below here. Now for smart TVs such as Samsung, you are advised to restart your device to see if that works. However, if it doesn't work, go ahead and sign out of Netflix and then sign in. However, should you still experience any challenge, then contact your internet service provider if you don't have any internet, or contact Samsung if you realize that the problem is with your Samsung. Now under each, you can see a step-by-step process on how to do that. Now for Sony and even other TVs, the process is more or less the same. Sign out of Netflix and see if it works when you sign in back. So you can restart your device to see if that problem is solved, or you can also contact the device manufacturer if you realize that it lies with the gadget. Now for mobiles and tablets, we have the solution for Android smartphone and iPhone. They are more or less the same, and this is just turn off your device and then back to see if the problem is solved. If it doesn't, then restart your home network or improve your Wi-Fi signal if that is the cause of your problem. You may want also to uninstall Netflix app and then install it afresh to see if that solves the problem. However, if you are on iPhone, go ahead and choose this. Quit all recent apps, restart your iPhone or iPad, reset the Netflix app, reinstall the app, restart your home network, or contact your internet service provider. It is important you try one after the other to see if any of them will solve the problem before you contact your internet service provider, unless you realize the problem is emanating from your internet service provider. Now for those using computers, if it is Windows or Macs, then we also have solutions here. For instance, for Windows, just restart your computer. You are also advised to clear the Netflix cookies on your browser, and this we have a step-by-step process to do it here. And also you can restart your home network if it is the reason. For Macs, it is the same. You are advised to shut down your computer and then restart it. You can also leave your computer off for at least 10 seconds, then turn it back on to see if the problem has been solved. So for streaming media and gaming consoles, the problem can also be solved. For instance, for Apple TV, you can force close Netflix app, you can restart your device. Should you still experience this challenge, then you can uninstall and install your Netflix app again. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to solve your problem with Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.